Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen. Let's tap on the arrow and choose our language. Then on the next page, you can select your region. Now for me it's select to correct one, but if for you it's not, you can find your region in the list, or you can just disregard it, and the only downside of it is your time zone will be probably different. Let's tap on arrow again, and then you have option to connect to network. Now this step is completely optional. You can connect to it, you can completely skip it by tapping right over here. The only difference if you connect is the fact that you can later on also log into your Google account. And then you have terms and conditions, so we need to check it out right here that we have read them. Now if you're interested in actually reading them, you can go over here, and we got an entire list of them. So we read it, cool, let's go on. Then it's looking for a SIM card, and it detects that there is none. And at this point, inserting SIM card does literally nothing. You can basically insert it now or later, and nothing will change. The moment you insert the card, it will automatically start working, and you won't really need to do anything. So this being here is kind of pointless. So let's go further. And Google services, so you have a couple different services like location, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. So you can agree to them. If you're curious what they do, you can expand the description right here and read exactly, and deselect or select it however you want. Then let's just tap accept at the bottom. And here you can add some kind of protection to your device. So you have a screen lock and a fingerprint. Now if you're gonna add a fingerprint, you also need to add a screen lock. So you have another way of unlocking the device. If, for instance, you cut your finger and it doesn't read it anymore because it's not as the phone remembers it when you were adding it. So yeah, but if you're gonna add just a screen lock, you don't need a fingerprint. And I'm gonna go with a screen lock of pattern. As you can see, you have 3 different choices: pin, pattern, password. Choose whichever one you want, and it gives you this pointless message: remember your password. Like we don't all know that we need to remember our passwords. So let's draw this pattern, then redraw the same pattern once more and confirm it. Now the pattern can be set to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be the same. Then you have the additional settings. So again, some of the things that we already have seen before, like location, user experience programs, send diagnostic data automatically. Now I'm actually going to deselect everything here, especially the last one. The last one seems to be, in my opinion, a bit too intrusive. So personalized ads, what it does is basically looks on your device what you're searching for, and then uses your search history as a way to personalize ads for you. So if you go to Facebook, you will be getting ads based on what you were searching on somewhere completely else. No thanks, I don't want that. And unlike every other toggle, this one also prompts you, oh, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, I am clearly sure that I don't want you to spy on me. So then at the next point, choose your theme. The difference of them is just wallpaper and icon themes. So choose whichever one you like more. Tap on the arrow and you're basically done. So let's tap on the button right here again, and it's loading apps, and once it's done, we will be then on the home screen with the setup fully finished. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.